Hello students of class 6, welcome to the online tutorial classes for Vidya Bhavan High Secondary School. This is the another video, the next video from the chapter of element, compound and mixture. This is the physical science and it is the sixth video from this chapter. In this video, we are going to learn about some more activities, some already activity we have learned in the previous video that can be different, that can differentiate the metals and non-metals. In this video also we are going to discuss about some of the properties of metals and non-metals that can differentiate them. Like the first we will discuss about the heating, like the conducting of the heat conductivity, and then we will discuss about the electric conductivity. So let's discuss.
This one is the next activity. By this, we will prove that the metals are very good conductor of heat. Okay, so here you can see that one stainless steel spoon has been taken and it is placed on a flame. So you have to hold one end of the stainless steel. Obviously do not touch the part that is near the flame because it will be very hot and dangerous for you, because it can burn your hand and the blisters can form. So very take care of all these things, and these activities obviously you can do in your house, but take care of yourself. So you have to hold one end of the stainless steel spoon over a flame. So within a very short time, it will become impossible to hold the spoon by hand. Why this? This is because the heat is conducted through the metal spoon very quickly from one end to the other. So when you are trying it in your house, try to hold it by anything that is not a good conductor of heat. It can be a cloth or something, or take help of your guardian. Okay, so although the other end of the spoon is hot, in direct contact with the flame, the heat is conducted pretty quickly from one end to the other end of the spoon. That means the end that you are holding. So cooling utensils and water boilers, etc., are usually made up of copper or aluminium metals, since these are the best conductor of heat. You all use the thermos bottles, right? In the inner part of the bottle, there must be one copper lining or a layer of aluminium or something, or still something. And if you are taking in flask, also same thing can be happen. If you are taking the hot water inside, the heat will not come to the other side. So they can store the heat. But for this reason, they can easily conduct the heat from one side to another, right? So these are the best conductors of heat. In general, we can conclude that metals are very good conductors of heat. So if there is any insulating layer upon that, then obviously the heat will not come out. But if there is no insulating layer, then the heat will come out and the blisters may come if you will touch. The non-metals are in general are not very good conductor of heat. So by this activity, we understood that the metals are very good conductor of heat, and it can flow the heat from very near side of the flame to the other side also. Okay, understood? So we are moving forward to the next activity. It is a very interesting thing. You can also do it in your house, but for that you need something, like you need one battery, you need one torch, you need two bats obviously, okay, and one metal. So take a few pieces of copper wire and one battery, a small flashing bulb or a small LED bulb you can use, but please take care of yourself because that can be dangerous, as in that way the electricity will move, okay. So a pair of iron nails and a piece of charcoal you can also take. First make and assemble like that picture, and with the bulb, the battery and the copper wires. Now connect to ends of the iron nail, or here the copper is given, you can also use that. You will see the bulb will glow, indicating that the electric current is flowing through the iron nail or this copper coin. When the copper wire is touched with a piece of charcoal, the bulb will not glow. Why? Because the charcoal is non-metal. It is not a good conductor of heat and electricity. Okay, if you will use diamond instead of the copper, then they can, because diamond is the exception. Diamond can conduct the electricity, but the charcoal cannot, right? But when you will touch it with the iron nail or the copper coin, that will obviously glow. So this reaction will prove that the electricity cannot flow through the charcoal. Hence, in general, we can say that the metals are very good conductor of the electricity, but non-metals are not. You can easily do this activity in your house, but take care of yourself as the electricity will pass, and try to take the wires which are insulated by any rubber part or a rubber layer, okay. You can easily get those wires from market, and take a small battery, and you can do that test in your house. It's a very interesting test. So by these two activities, from the first activity what we learned about that the metals are good conductor of heat, but non-metals are not. And from the second activity we learned that non-metals are not the good conductor of the electricity, but metals are very good conductor of electricity. Still there is some exceptions, like if we use diamond is a very good conductor of the electricity, and for the before reaction or before activity, if we use graphite, then graphite can also conduct the heat, so that will be heated up, okay.
Students, I'm completing this activity part with this video. In the next video we will start the compound, and I think you can do these activities in your house very easily, but take care of yourself, okay. Till then, thank you.